Do you want to learn how to mix flash with ambient light? In this course, we scrap all the unnecessary, overwhelming information that you see online today. Here's what you actually need to start mixing flash with ambient light. My name is David Bichoga. I am the light shaping expert at Protophoto Academy. In this course, you will learn the three-step process of exposure, how to add flash to improve existing light conditions, how to create motivated light. The three-step process breaks down how you easily set the camera for perfect exposure in difficult conditions when mixing flash with ambient light. Adding flash to improve existing conditions. How can you enhance existing conditions with flash with a natural feel? Creating motivated lights. How you can use the background to light your picture in a natural way. So join me in this course and I will show you how to get started today, no matter what the equipment you are using.